Civil society organizations led by Katiba Institute have filed a petition at the Milimani High Court seeking to have Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen declared unfit to hold public office over his remarks on the use of lethal force during anti-government demonstrations. The organizations want Murkomen to publicly retract his shoot-to-kill order, accusing him of constitutional violation and encouraging police impunity. They warned that his statements made in the aftermath of June 25th Gen Z-led demonstrations could fuel a rise in extrajudicial killings in the country. Stephen Leto begins our coverage tonight with the following report.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has been dragged to court by civil society groups, Katiba Institute, the Kenya Human Rights Commission and the Independent Medical Legal Unit, accusing the CS of overstepping his mandate by issuing policing statements that they claim incite unlawful violence, misrepresent the law and undermine the Constitution. The three organizations now want the High Court to call the CS to order. According to court papers, Murkomen's shoot-on-sight directive is likely to trigger a surge in extrajudicial executions and widespread violence, resulting in loss of lives and serious human rights abuses. The lobby groups further urged the court to declare that Murkomen violated his constitutional duties by inciting police officers, telling them that the guns in their custody are not toys, and directing them to shoot anyone approaching a police station or allegedly endangering an officer's life. The human rights groups say the Interior CS has contravened Clause 1 of Article 75C and has demeaned the Office of the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Interior and National Administration.
Tumeambia polisi, mtu yoyote mwenye atakaribia police station, piga yeye risasi. Mtu yoyote.
Murkomen has been facing backlash over the directive, which he made a day after Gen Z protests led to mayhem and destruction across the country. The CS has since sought to clarify his remarks, insisting it was not a shoot-to-kill order and that police officers fully understand the legal limits on the use of force.
I think it's important for citizens to appreciate that our police officers are very professional and they know the circumstances under which, when they are in danger, they are trying to protect themselves or protecting lives, they have to use force to the extent that is necessary. But that does not mean that we are telling our police officers to become reckless. These are law-abiding citizens.
The three lobby groups now want a public clarification and have urged the court to issue an order compelling Murkomen to issue a written retraction published in a newspaper of national circulation at his own expense, fully withdrawing his comments and clearly outlining the legal limits of the use of force and firearms by police. The human rights groups also want a similar retraction aired on a television station with nationwide coverage at Murkomen's personal expense, fully withdrawing his comments and clarifying the legal circumstances under which police may use lethal force. The Interior CS is further required to convene a press briefing to issue the same clarifications publicly. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.